In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through a very simple strategy that you can implement today and start making hundreds of dollars every single day. As you can see right here, this account gets paid every single week, and also the minimum payment is $50. And you don't have to use OG Ads if you don't want to. You can come over to CPA Grip as well to make money. All right. And also you can use CPA Lead or whatever CPA network of your choice. So now the first thing you are going to do right here is very simple. You want to create a content locker, be it on OG Ads or on CPA Grip. All you just need to do is go to the content locker section. So I'm going to be taking CPA Grip in this video. So I'm going to be clicking on this agree to terms of service, and I'm going to be clicking on continue right here. So once you do that, you want to come over to this section and you want to give the content locker a name. So I'm going to be taking this as example, since I'm going to be demonstrating the whole process in this video. And you want to come over to the template section and you want to choose this template right here. All right, so you want to go back to the general and you want to change this choose a survey to begin download. So once you change that to begin download, you can see right here, complete a survey below to prove you are a human and not a robot. So you want to click on this and you want to change it to complete 2 offers below. So you want to change that to complete 2 offers below to prove you are not a robot. And then you want to scroll down here. This is where you are going to paste the locked URL for the content we're about to lock. And I'm going to explain what you are going to paste right here. All right. So before we do that, you want to head over to the advanced section and you want to change the lead required to 2. So basically, once you do that, you want to come back here. As you can see right here, they have to complete 2 offers for you to make money. Now I'm going to show you where to get the logged content. So you want to head over to this website called freeplrdownloads.com. And once you come over to this website, you can download numerous PLR ebooks for absolutely free. So in this video, I'm going to be taking the internet marketing niche, which is the make money online niche, as an example. As you can see, there are over 400 free ebooks under this category alone. So that means you can log over 400 ebooks and make money with this category, as PLR content can be used for absolutely free. Okay, so I'm going to be clicking on this internet marketing as an example. You can see right here, there are a lot of ebooks that I can instantly download from this website for absolutely free. So I'm going to be taking this one here as an example, affiliate marketing guide to getting profits. So I'm going to be clicking on this link right here. And all I just need to do is click on the download right here. As you can see, the size of this ebook is just 3.60 megabytes. So I'm just going to click on this download and it's going to download right away to my PC. All right. So once that is downloaded, so you want to come to mediafire.com and you want to click on upload files. And then you want to locate the affiliate marketing guide on your PC. So now I'm just going to extract this file. So I'm just going to open this. As you can see right here, this is the affiliate marketing guide right here. So basically what you want to do from here, you want to basically grab this guide. You want to drop it right here. Okay, as you can see, it's uploading. All right, as you can see, it has completely uploaded. So what you want to do here, you want to click on copy link. And then you want to go back to your CPA Grip account and you want to paste in the link in this box right here. So basically, once they complete the 2 offers, they will be redirected to Mediafire to download this for absolutely free. Okay, so basically the same process applies to OG Ads as well. All right, so basically all you just need to do is come over to this desktop specific and mobile specific, and you want to change it to complete 2 offers below to prove you are a human and not a robot. All right, so you want to go back to the desktop specific and you want to paste in the same text right there. So basically that is all you need to do. As you can see right here, complete 2 offers below to prove you are a human and not a robot. So basically all you just need to do is complete 2 offers right here, and then they will get access to this file, right, to this PLR ebook right here. So I'm going to copy it again and paste it on OG Ads as well. So to paste it on OG Ads, you want to go to the basic section and you want to make sure this is select to redirect to another URL, and you want to paste in the PDF link right there, the Mediafire link right there. Okay, so once you're done, you want to also give your locker a name. So if I take this as example, so all you just need to do from here, you just basically want to click on create locker. So once you do that, you want to copy the link to your locker right here. And if you paste the link in a new tab to see what it looks like, all right, so make sure you always preview the link and see what it looks like before promoting. As you can see right here, logged content complete 2 offers below to prove you are a human and not a robot. As you can see right here, there are about 5 offers that they can choose from. All they literally need to do is sign up for these giveaways. Literally all they just need to do is submit an email, and that is it. All right, so once they do that, you are going to make money and they will get access to download this PLR ebook for absolutely free. Now I am going to show you the easiest way that you can use to get targeted traffic to this content local link right here and make hundreds of dollars every day. Yes, if you do it right, you are going to make money every single day. So you want to come over to Facebook as an example. You want to make sure to look for groups that are related to whatever you are promoting. All right, so whatever PLR product you decide to go for right here. So if you decide to go for the health and fitness, you want to go for health and fitness group. All right, so if you go for relationship ebooks, you want to look for relationship groups. All right, I hope that makes sense. So once you type make money online right here on Facebook, so you want to make sure you select this public group right here. You want to make sure you toggle this button. So once you click on this button, this is literally going to show you groups that don't require admin to approve your post. You can see this group right here are getting a lot of posts every single day, which means a lot of members in this group are super active. So if I take this group right here as an example, you can see right here, this is someone who is promoting whatever this is right here. And you can see people are saying, I am very interested right here. You can see over 80 comments on this post alone. And you can see right here, and this is what I'm about to show you and how to do this the right way. You can see right here, this person is saying, I'm interested. And also if I keep on clicking on this, you are going to see people saying info. So basically these people right here are interested in whatever this post is all about right here. So I'm going to show you how to do this and make a lot of money as well. All right, you can see this is another group right here. You can see this is somebody else saying they're interested. This is another person right here. So what you're going to do from here, I'm going to give you a powerful script that you can use on this Facebook group and get hundreds of leads every single day. You can see this group alone has over 58,000 members. So getting 100 leads a day is just a piece of cake. All right, so basically, and also you have to keep in mind there are other numerous groups that are related to make money online as well. All right, so now you don't want to do the typical thing most people do by coming here to drop their link, which is going to come off as spammy, because nobody is going to click on that link, because a lot of people are going to think it's a scam. So what you're going to do from here, you want to come to the post section and you want to paste in this script right here. I am really upset. I've been looking for ways to generate money online for 3 months and nothing seems to work. I wasn't even making any money. Thank God everything changed just a few days ago after I discovered a fresh new way to make money online that is completely free. I know how it feels to be struggling for months and it's not fun. So if you need any advice or guidance, please leave a comment below and I'll send you a short mail with all the details. So this is the type of script that you are going to paste on Facebook. All right, so as you can see right here, it doesn't contain any link, and keep in mind this group does not require an admin to approve your post. So basically once you paste this, people are going to see this instantly. And also keep in mind the people in this group are interested in making money online, so definitely they are going to be interested in what you want to offer them. All right, so what you want to do from here, all you just need to do is click on post. So basically your post is going to be seen immediately by the members of this group. So once you have your post and people start saying info like this one right here, like I'm interested, or info right here. So the next thing you want to do is, for example, if this person right here, as they say, I'm interested, you want to go over to their profile right here and you want to click on message. And keep in mind, this is not going to be a spam because they requested for this ebook. All right. So basically you want to type in something simple like this. Hello, Chrissy. A while ago, you asked for additional information regarding the best money making guide. As you can see below, as promised, here is your personal link to get it for free. Let me know how it worked for you. So this is where you are going to be pasting your content local link. So usually Facebook bans CPA network links. So an alternative to Facebook blocking your link is by coming over to a platform like Breezy.io. You can see there are numerous landing page templates that you can click and you can edit this landing page. Just within 5 minutes, you've created a landing page. And if you don't want to use this platform, you can also come over to use Google Sites for absolutely free as well, or you can use any landing page builder of your choice. Okay, So basically, this is all you need to do, and this is where you are going to paste the link to that landing page. So once you do that, you are going to repeat the same process for as many people who comment interested or info under your post. So basically, that is how simple it is. And also, you can come over to affiliate marketing group as well. You can see there are numerous affiliate marketing groups. You can see this one has over 160,000 members, 17,000, 100,000. So basically, you can come over to these groups as well. So that way, all you just need to do is get 100 people to complete the offer. So if 100 people complete the offer, so you are making at least $200 every day from one niche alone. All right. So basically, that is all you need to do. And like I said, you can come over to this platform, and you can come over to freeplrdownloads.com, and you can repeat the same process for other niches that you can find right here for absolutely free. So that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on this video. And if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.